The sun rises over a vast organic banana plantation, where a remarkable journey begins transforming simple plants into high-quality, sustainable fabric for the modern world. Stretching as far as the eye can see, these emerald groves represent a commitment to eco-friendly agriculture and the future of the textile industry globally. Each tree begins as a small sucker carefully planted by hand into nutrient-rich soil, ensuring a strong foundation for the fiber-rich trunks to develop. This delicate process requires patience and skill as the farmers nurture the young sprouts that will eventually provide the raw materials for exquisite natural clothing. Water is the lifeblood of this farm, where every drop is managed with precision to keep the plants hydrated and the fibers strong and flexible. Utilizing advanced drip irrigation systems, the farm minimizes waste while maximizing growth, ensuring that each plant receives exactly what it needs to thrive through seasons. Sustainability is at the heart of the operation, using organic fertilizers to enrich the soil without harsh chemicals, keeping the environment healthy and the fiber pure. Regular maintenance is crucial as workers carefully prune away old leaves, focusing the plant's energy on building the thick, sturdy trunks required for high-quality fibers. Over 9 to 12 months, the plants reach their peak maturity, growing tall and robust as they store the cellulose that will soon become beautiful threads. The trunks are now ready, thick and full of moisture, containing the hidden potential of natural textile fibers that have been harvested for centuries across many cultures. Experienced farmers walk the fields, selecting only the best plants for harvest, ensuring that every piece of fabric produced meets the highest standards of durability. They look for specific signs of maturity, checking the texture and firmness of the pseudostem, which indicates the strength of the fibers hidden deep within. Under the midday sun, the plantation is a hive of activity as the community prepares for the physical labor of bringing the harvest to the factory. Tools are prepared with precision, as sharp blades are essential for clean cuts that preserve the integrity of the long fibers found inside the banana stems. With a single swift motion, the farmer fells the tree, starting the transition from a living plant into a raw material for the fashion world. The fall of the tree marks the end of its biological life and the beginning of its transformation into something elegant, durable, and completely eco-friendly. The outer green skin is removed on site to lighten the load and reveal the succulent inner core, which houses the most valuable textile fibers. These pseudostems are rich in moisture and cellulose, making them the perfect candidate for mechanical fiber extraction in the next stage of the manufacturing process. To ensure efficiency, the trunks are cut into uniform lengths, making them easier to handle and process through the industrial machinery waiting at the local plant. This is labor-intensive work requiring strength and endurance, as the heavy moisture-laden stems are transported from the field to the nearby processing facility. Trucks are packed tightly with the raw material, ready to be driven to the factory where technology will take over from the traditional methods of farming. As the truck departs the plantation, the raw stems begin their journey toward becoming the soft and breathable fabric that is becoming a sustainable fashion staple. Arriving at the factory, the natural world meets high-tech engineering in a facility designed to extract fibers with minimal environmental impact and maximum efficiency. Inside, the air is filled with the hum of machinery and the scent of fresh plant matter as the processing of the banana stems begins immediately. The stems are first fed into a specialized machine that peels back the layers of the pseudostem, carefully separating each individual sheath for fiber extraction. These sheaths are the source of the fiber, with different layers of the stem producing different grades of material, from coarse to extremely fine silk-like threads. The decorticator machine uses mechanical force to crush the soft pulp of the plant away from the resilient fibers that we need for our textile production. What remains are long, beautiful strands of fiber, remarkably strong and durable, ready to be cleaned and prepared for the next stage of the weaving process. High-pressure water jets are used to thoroughly wash the fibers, removing any remaining plant juices or impurities that could affect the quality of the final fabric. This cleansing stage is vital for achieving the characteristic pearlescent sheen and soft hand feel that makes banana fiber a luxury alternative to traditional cotton. The clean fibers are then hung on racks where they're good dry before entering the specialized drying chambers that will lock in their strength and color. At this stage, the material looks more like raw silk than a plant product, showing the incredible transformation that has taken place within the factory walls. Careful temperature control is maintained as the fibers enter the drying stage, preventing them from becoming brittle while removing every trace of excess moisture effectively. As the warm air circulates, the fibers begin to lose their weight and take on a soft, fluffy texture that is essential for high-quality spinning. Emerging from the drying process, the fibers have turned a beautiful pale gold, ready to be refined into the smooth threads that will eventually form the cloth. Each batch is manually inspected to ensure it has reached the perfect state of dryness and flexibility before it moves to the combing and refining machines. Mechanical combing is used to align all the fibers in the same direction, removing any tangles or short pieces that might cause irregularities in the yarn. This process repeats several times until the fiber is perfectly smooth and consistent, providing the ideal base for the spinning machines to create strong, even threads. The refined fibers are gathered into large, soft bundles known as slivers, which are the starting point for the complex process of turning plant into yarn. In the spinning department, high-speed machines twist the fibers together, creating a continuous yarn that is surprisingly strong and resistant to breaking under tension. The thickness of the yarn can be adjusted to create different types of fabric, from heavy canvas to light and airy materials for summer clothing lines. Thousands of bobbins work in harmony, creating miles of banana yarn every day, proving that natural fibers can compete with synthetic ones in industrial scale. Quality control is constant as technicians monitor the tension and diameter of the thread, ensuring the highest level of consistency for the upcoming weaving stage. With the yarn prepared, we are now ready to enter the heart of the textile process, where these threads will be interlaced into beautiful, sustainable fabrics. The weaving room is a marvel of modern engineering, where the golden yarn is loaded onto massive automated looms to begin its final transformation into cloth. The shuttle moves with blinding speed, interlocking the vertical warp threads with the horizontal weft threads to create a stable and beautiful textile structure. As the loom works, the first inches of banana fabric appear, showing a unique texture that is both rustic and refined, characteristic of this incredible natural material. The texture of the fabric is soft yet durable, with a natural breathability that makes it ideal for high-end fashion and sustainable lifestyle products everywhere. Once woven, the fabric is collected into large bolts ready for finishing and inspection, ensuring that every yard is free from defects and perfectly crafted. Expert inspectors examine the cloth under specialized lighting, looking for any imperfections that might have occurred during the high-speed mechanical weaving process. Precision is key to ensuring that designers can use the fabric efficiently and that the final products maintain their shape and quality through years of use. A final finishing process softens the fibers even further, enhancing the natural luster and ensuring that the fabric is comfortable against the skin for any wearer. The finishing department applies the final touches using steam and gentle heat to perfect the drape and feel of the unique banana fiber textile. With the fabric complete, it is neatly folded and prepared for shipping to design studios, where it will be transformed into the latest fashion trends. In the hands of a designer, the potential of the banana plant is finally realized as they begin the creative process of making stylish clothing. Patterns are carefully mapped out to minimize waste, respecting the journey of the material from the farm to the cutting table in this sustainable loop. Cutting the fabric requires a steady hand, as the unique properties of banana fiber must be handled with care to ensure the perfect fit for the garment. Modern sewing techniques are combined with this ancient fiber to create garments that are not only beautiful but also built to last for many years. The attention to detail in the sewing process ensures that the finished clothing reflects the premium nature of the sustainable materials used in its creation. Final touches like buttons and labels are added by hand, bringing a touch of craftsmanship to the industrial-scale production of this eco-friendly garment. Ironing brings out the natural sheen of the fiber, showing off the elegant quality of the banana fabric as it prepares for its debut in the world. The journey is nearly complete, from a humble plant in a tropical grove to a sophisticated piece of clothing ready for a high-end boutique. When worn, the comfort and breathability of the fabric become apparent, offering a premium experience that supports both the wearer and the planet's health. This is the essence of sustainable fashion, where style and nature coexist in perfect harmony, creating a better future for the clothing industry and the environment. The brand stands for more than just fashion; it represents a holistic approach to manufacturing that values the earth as much as the final product. Returning to the source, we see the full circle of production, where the waste of one industry becomes the foundation for another incredible and beautiful success. From the first seedling to the final stitch, every step in the process is a testament to human ingenuity and the incredible power of natural resources. As the day ends, the plantation continues to grow quietly, preparing the next harvest that will continue this cycle of beauty and sustainability for generations. Nature's design is flawless, providing us with everything we need if we only have the wisdom to use it correctly and with respect for the earth. Join us in the revolution of sustainable fashion and choose clothing that makes a difference for you and for the world we all share together. The strength of banana fiber lies in its microscopic structure, making it one of the most durable natural materials available to modern textile engineers today. Automation ensures that every stage of the process is optimized, allowing for the scale needed to bring sustainable fashion to a global market efficiently. Every aspect of the factory is designed for sustainability, including advanced water recycling systems that minimize the environmental footprint of our entire production process. Powered by renewable energy, the facility operates in harmony with the planet, ensuring that the carbon footprint of our clothing is as low as possible. Our employees take great pride in being part of a movement that values ethics and environment, proving that industry can be a force for good. Laser precision meets organic material, creating a perfect synergy between the latest technology and the timeless beauty of natural banana plant fibers. Rigorous testing confirms that our banana fiber textiles meet the highest global standards for durability and performance in even the most demanding conditions. We use only eco-friendly dyes, ensuring that the vibrant colors of our clothing are safe for the skin and completely biodegradable in the environment. The natural affinity of banana fiber for plant-based dyes results in deep, rich colors that are resistant to fading and gentle on the planet. Rinsing the dyed cloth is the final step in the coloring process, revealing the true beauty of the sustainable pigments on the organic textile base. The drape of our finished fabric is exceptional, allowing designers to create silhouettes that are both structured and soft, offering unparalleled comfort for everyone. Our collection showcases the versatility of banana fiber, from everyday essentials to high-fashion pieces that make a bold statement about environmental consciousness. Beyond woven cloth, the fiber can also be knitted into soft, warm sweaters, providing a sustainable alternative for all seasons and many different clothing styles. Our commitment to the environment extends to our packaging, using only recycled and biodegradable materials to deliver our products safely to your door. From the farm to your wardrobe, we manage every step of the logistics chain to ensure that sustainability is prioritized at every single moment. The moment a customer feels the softness of banana fiber, they realize that luxury and sustainability don't have to be mutually exclusive in modern fashion. Whether it is a scarf or a suit, our textiles provide warmth and style without compromising on the ethics of how they were made and processed. Choosing banana fiber means saving thousands of gallons of water compared to traditional cotton cultivation, making it one of the most efficient crops on earth. By avoiding pesticides, we create a sanctuary for local wildlife, ensuring that our agricultural practices enhance rather than destroy the natural ecosystem around us. Our soil health is the key to our fiber quality, and we invest heavily in regenerative practices that keep the land productive and vibrant forever. The cycle never stops as new life is planted before the old is even processed, ensuring a constant supply of raw material
The
for
beauty
the world.
of banana fiber,
The beauty of the process is matched by the beauty of the plant itself, which gives so much with so little impact on the world's resources. Nothing is wasted, as even the leftover pulp from fiber extraction is recycled into high-quality paper products, further enhancing the sustainability of our operations. This secondary product line allows us to use 100% of the banana plant, ensuring that we honor the life of every tree we harvest. As night falls, the factory continues its work, fueled by the passion for a cleaner, greener, and more beautiful world for everyone who lives here. Precision engineering meets natural beauty in this mechanical ballet, where every movement is calibrated to preserve the strength and integrity of our banana fibers. Follow the journey of a single thread as it becomes part of something greater, a fabric that tells the story of nature and technology working together. The innovation never sleeps as our factory operates around the clock to meet the growing global demand for ethical and sustainable textile solutions for everyone. Human expertise remains at the core of our quality control, ensuring that only the finest fibers make it into our premium fabric collections for designers. Our research and development team is constantly pushing the boundaries of what banana fiber can do, creating the next generation of high-performance, sustainable textiles.
It's the
Science
best
reveals
quality
the hidden
we've made
strength
yet.
of nature, showing how the cellular structure of the banana plant is perfectly suited for the demands of the fashion industry. We welcome the world to see our process. Transparency is vital to building trust in the sustainable fashion movement and inspiring others to change their ways. Designers around the world are embracing our textiles, finding inspiration in the unique story and high-performance characteristics of our banana fiber fabrics and linen. The natural luster of the material is unmatched, reflecting light in a way that is similar to silk, but with the durability of a much stronger plant. Sustainable fashion takes center stage as our garments are featured in leading magazines, proving that being eco-friendly is the ultimate style statement today. Confidence comes from knowing that what you wear is good for the world and good for your skin, allowing your true beauty to shine through. In the city, our clothing stands out for its unique texture and modern silhouette, proving that sustainable materials are the future of high-end urban fashion. The plantation rests under the moon, a silent engine of growth that continues to provide for us as long as we care for it with respect. Every new day brings another opportunity to innovate and improve our process, ensuring that we stay at the forefront of the sustainable textile revolution. Our community is the heart of our success, a team of dedicated individuals working together to create something truly extraordinary from the gifts of nature. We bridge the gap between the earth and the industry, creating a partnership that benefits the environment and the people who make and wear our clothes. Thank you for joining us on this journey, from the green groves of the plantation to the heights of high fashion where nature and style meet. The future of fashion is green, and it starts with the humble banana plant transformed into something beautiful for you and for our shared planet.